So hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So friends, if you want to build a PC or upgrade your PC with a new budget monitor for your PC, so this video for you. In this video I tell you a budget monitor. So this is the monitor which I tell today. This is the LG. This is the monitor comes from the LG brand. This model number is LG 22MK600. So friends, if you want to watch the full review about this monitor and my experience about this monitor, because I use this monitor from last 2 weeks, I am very surprised with this monitor. So if you want to see the unboxing and review of this monitor, so please stay with us. In this video we explain every single details about this monitor. I experienced, I share it with you, so stay with us and let's do it. So on the top of the box you can see the LG monitor, and under the model number is 22MK600 22inch, and here the open symbol, so we can open it from here. So at first we break the seal of the top side, and then we break the seal from the side and this side also, then adjust this box to help open. And so let's see what's come out from this box. This is a paperwork from color calibration. This is the LG brand, and this is the HDMI cable comes from LG. This is a good quality HDMI cable which help you to connect your monitor with the CPU. And then we get the CD from the LG brand, and CD is from LG. And then we found a small part of the stand on this monitor, and then we come out the adapter which help you the supply electricity for your monitor, and then come out, and this is the also a part of your monitor stand. And then what's the price? Wait for us. This is the main stand. So this is good quality stand, comes from this box, is good quality stand. And then we see the some papers important. This is the papers, and this is the warranty papers. So after that, the main part of the monitor we come out. So after assembling this monitor, you can enjoy the most top features on this monitor which I mentioned on this video. So let's talk about its highlighting features. So at first we talk that this monitor is come with the 22-inch 3-side borderless panel which looks so cool. This monitor comes with full HD resolution with a good quality IPS panel. There is so many qualities of IPS panel available in the market, but the IPS panel on this monitor is really too good. This monitor also comes with anti-glare skin, so there is no problem of skin reflection. And although this monitor also comes with 98 to 99 sRGB accurate color calibrated, so the quality of the color is too good. You also look on the screen, and the black is perfect black. You also look, this black is too good quality black color. And the next highlighting features of the monitor is it's come with the full body matte finish, so there is no problem of the scratches and about it. This monitor response times is too good. This monitor next highlighting features is it's come with 2 HDMI port and 1 VGA port. And now the best highlighting features of this monitor, by which I like it most, that the monitor comes with 75Hz refresh rate with AMD Radeon FreeSync. You can easily control this monitor settings through the joystick, which is bottom side on this monitor. You can tap and the control panel is easily open, and then you go to the setting, and then you can get setting side and you can control the brightness easily. Is too easy to use, and then you can also many more features on this monitor, like you can control the picture mode, and you can go to the read mode, photo, customized, and although there are more features available in this monitor. So if you have a AMD graphic card or AMD APU, so you can easily activate its FreeSync technology. You can go to the game adjust, then the FreeSync option, then it's on. After the on of this FreeSync, you can easily get the 75Hz refresh rate, which is really too good for your gaming. So this monitor is also for the gamers who like it most, and there is more setting available in this monitor. You can if you want to on or change the settings, so this is good monitor. So friends, if you like this monitor and wanted to buy this monitor from the online market, so I give you the best purchase link from online stores like Amazon, Flipkart on the description part. You also visit these sites. So friends, I at first tell you that you come to buy it, go to buy this monitor. So at first you look the offline market, then you go to the online market, because the offline market price is always down than the online market. I buy this monitor from the offline market, so I got it some around 8,200 around, or an online price is too high about then. So you at first look the offline market. So friends, thanks you for watching this full video and stay with us till the end. So if you like this video, so please press the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, and you get the instant notification of our channel. So let's do and thanks for watching guys. So I see you in the next video. So bye bye.